So dear students, in this video we'll discuss a problem on K-map. So here the problem has been given on SOP. These are the main terms given and the don't cares. So we have written the entries in these locations. So 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So in location of 0 and 15 it is don't care. So 0 and 15 it is don't care. Once the entries has been written, now we need to do the grouping. While doing a grouping, we need to focus on only ones, not on the don't cares. So now if I want to make a group of this one, this is the best possible group where it covers maximum number of ones. So I'll make these 4 in one group. The result what I get here is B out of this, and out of this it is C, BC plus. So then if I want to make this one, this is the best option. So I make these 4 in one group. So with this I'll get B common here, and out of this it is D common plus. Then for this one, this is the best option. So I make these 4 in one group. So the result here is A, because A retains common here, and then here C bar plus. So out of this one is left. Now I need to make this group, these 4 in one group. So the group result here is A, and out of this it is D. So in this way it's been solved with the problem on SOP. Now the same problem I'll be discussing with POS. So I'll write the K-map. So where it includes 2 different techniques to solve the problem. So I'll be solving both the methods. Now if the same problem has been given to solve with the POS, now the entries are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. There is no change in the gray code. So we'll be writing the same gray code, but the meaning is not same. In case of POS, its meaning is A plus B. It's not a complement. A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. Here it is C plus D, C plus D bar for this term. For this term it is C bar plus D bar. For this term it is C bar plus D. This is how we are going to write the cell values of the K-map. Now we need to write the entries inside this map. So now what the entries we make, based on that I'm going to write this as 2 different methods. In the first method, what are all the contents has been given the minterms here, except this rest all locations I'm going to write zeros. If we just look into this, all the empty cells we are going to fill it with zeros, and then we are going to make the group. So these locations, it's been written the values 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So in all the empty cells of this filled with zeros now. Now do the grouping. Grouping similar to the pairs, squares and octets. Now if I want to make this 0 into a group, this grouping, say I can't miss out this don't cares, it should be added here. Okay. If I want to make this 0 into grouping, the best option is this pair. So I'll make this pair. When I make this pair, what is the result I got it here for this problem is, so here A retains common, so A plus, here it was AND operation, now it is OR operation between the variables. A plus C plus D, that is the first term. Then do the AND operation. Here it was R, now it is AND. Here it was AND, here it is OR. Be careful with that, SOP and POS. Now the second term, So for this is the best option. So I'll make all these 4 in one group. When I make all these 4 in one group, A plus B. So I'll multiply this with A plus B. Next, this 0 I can group with this by folding the map. So I can make these two in one group. So I can write the answer as B common. So B plus out of this both. So C bar plus D. This is the POS. So both I can name it as Y only. This is also the output. This is also the output. Here by considering ones we get this SOP. Here by considering ones we get this SOP result. Here by considering zeros we get this POS result. Now one more method in order to solve this POS. So instead of writing zeros in these locations, so I'll write ones only in these locations, and then that result will be in terms of AND operations, because once it's an SOP, I'll be getting the result for this POS expression in terms of SOP. We'll solve that. I'll just tell you what is the benefit of doing it. So in this method, we write 1 instead of writing zeros. So in all these locations, and don't cares to be retained same. Now this will not be considered as A plus B. This will be considered as AB, A bar B, A bar B bar, A bar B, AB, AB bar. Just like your SOP. Now grouping we are going to do it. So this is the best option. So we did the grouping. What is the result for this? A bar, C bar, D bar plus. So for this is the best option. So A bar, B bar. Then for this is the overlapping. So we get the grouping B bar, which is common, C, D bar. This is what the result we got. Now for the POS, this is the result. So when I'm going to do with this, when I want the problem has been given in terms of POS, not like this. The problem has been given in terms of POS. That is pi of m of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10 plus don't care of 0, 15. If the problem has been given like this SOP only, but it's been asked to implement POS, then I can write this problem myself and we could able to solve this. So how we are going to solve this? So write the entries into these locations as zeros and do the grouping. Write down the problem solution in terms of POS. This is easily implemented using NOR. Suppose if the question has been given to realize with 9, then instead of writing these locations as zeros, I'll write those locations as ones and do the grouping in SOP form. Then I'm going to get this expression. So this I can't write it as Y. Sorry for that. This answer is complementary result. So Y bar. So this is Y bar, this is Y. So written it as Y bar. So I can able to do the grouping. I get that result as a complement of the result what I supposed to get it. Now it is easily implemented using NAND. Similar to this, in terms of any SOP problem given and it's been asked to realize with NOR, you can easily write zeros in these locations and do the grouping. And you can write down the problem solution in this format and you can able to make this as easy implementation of NOR. It all depends on what type of problem has been given, what is the solution has been expected, what is the final minimal solution it's been expected by the question given. Okay. Now instead of stopping at this point. When it is NAND implementation, I can stop here only, it's finished. But I want to write the solution in terms of this. I can further continue this to simplify using Boolean algebra, whatever you have learned earlier, De Morgan's law. So what's the next step for this problem? It is y bar. So I want to make it y means, then I'll be writing y double bar will be equal to a bar c bar d plus a bar b bar plus b bar c d bar the whole bar. So this double bar gets cancelled and this will be like a plus b plus c the whole bar. Apply De Morgan's law and simplify it. So now this is in the form of a plus b plus c the whole bar. Now in order to write the next step, I'll just erase these contents. So I'll just erase it. So I'll retain that answer because we'll be arriving with the same answer after simplifying this. So now, so the next step is y is equal to, so this I can write it as a bar c bar d whole bar into, next a bar b bar the whole bar into b bar c d bar the whole bar. That's what we got it. Next, apply De Morgan's law. So it is a b c the whole bar. So you can write it as a double bar plus b double bar, that is c double bar plus d bar, then and with your a double bar plus b double bar and with b double bar plus c bar plus d double bar. That's what we get it. So we'll just erase this content and I'll write the. So if you look into the problem, so this d bar was missing. So since this bar is missing, please do add this bar for this. So then the bar in all the steps, even here, so we'll be getting bar. Then here this double bar, so it got erased because here you will get double bar, it get erased. And the answer will be a plus c plus d into a plus b into b plus c bar plus d. If you compare this with the previously one which has been written over here, so you'll be getting the same result. You can just look back into that video, or if you have written the answer, you just compare both these solutions. So what is the idea behind solving all these steps when it could able to simplify directly by writing zeros into that locations and group it when it was so simple? So this method is useful only when you are implementing in terms of NAND. That's it. If you don't know to solve this problem in terms of POS, if you are getting confused, then you need to solve this in terms of SOP. Then if the question demands you have to put the minimal POS, then you have to go with all these steps mandatory and then write down the solution. So instead, directly you can learn that POS and solve it. Yes, thank you. With this, I'll wind up this video. Thank you.